Hello and welcome to today's segment of our YouTube video series where we discuss scholarship for international students. If this is the first time of coming across our video, do ensure you like this video, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you can receive subsequent videos like this where we discuss scholarship in any part of the world. We talk about their eligibility and the application process. So in this video I will walk you through on how to apply for University of Perugia scholarship, which is open to Bachelor and Master's degree program. Come along with me as I explain to you how to apply for this scholarship. So as you can see on your screen, we have the students wishing to enroll. Don't worry about how to access this web page. I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video, so do well to apply by clicking on the link, in which it will redirect you to this web page, and then you can access every other information or every other web page that is needed in order for you to apply for this scholarship. So I'm going to show you an in-depth analysis of how to apply for this scholarship. Do well to watch up to the end so that you will not miss any part of the application process and other details you need to know before you submit an application. So here on the screen we have the students wishing to enroll. All students and course candidates who have obtained a final or partial foreign qualification and who intend to enroll at Italian higher education institutions follow different admission procedure depending on citizenship and residence permit. So here they are trying to explain to us that the application process is different depending on the citizenship and where you are located. We have the Italian candidates who reside in either EU countries or outside of the EU countries. The application process is different from international students residing outside the EU countries. So for Italian students, the method is simple, straightforward, and then precise. All you need to do is foreign qualification from the EU, wherever residents, or from outside the European Union duly resident in Italy. For a preliminary administrative or academic assessment according to the entry requirement of each course, students interested in enrolling for a first cycle level and second cycle level course of the university must send to the email address. Here is the email address, the application specifying the course of study of their interest and attaching this document. The study documents for the correctional assessment according to the course of interest, bachelor single cycle or master degree. The list of available documents can be found on this page, so with reference to specific requirements to certain countries. So you can check the list of study documents here. So others that are needed also include document of identity. In the case of non-EU citizen residing duly in Italy, resident permit valid for enrollment at the university. Students from Norway, Iceland, Liechtenstein, and Swiss Confederation need to provide this document. Here are the list of documents. So these are for Italian candidates. For Italian candidates, please take note of this. A student resident permit issued to attend a course of Italian language as well as exchange program is not valid for university enrollment. As an EU student, you need to ask again for a student visa via the via the University portal and a new related permit of stay. Let's check the list of documents for Italian and international students. Here is for undergraduate program. If you are studying for a bachelor degree program, either as an Italian candidate or as an international student, you need to have higher school diploma, school report that subject certificate of the last 2 years, if applicable, certificate of clearing the pass grade of an eventual special academic competence exam eventually required for entry to university in the country of origin, only for non-EU applicants applying for a visa who apply for a course in Italian, certificate of competence in Italian of minimum level B2 issued under the CLIQ quality system. So you will need a certificate of competence if you are studying in Italian language. Let's move to postgraduate, which is master degree program. We have one of the document required is bachelor degree. Then you need an official transcript of record. We have the CV, the program of exam or syllabus of the course, only for non-EU applicants applying for a visa who apply for a course in Italian needs certificate of competence in Italian of minimum of B2 issued under the CLIQ quality system. So here are the documents required. The documentation needs to include the following also: statement of education of academic qualification by CIMEA, which is the Information Center of Mobility and Academic Equivalencies. So if the issuing of certificates of verification is not possible for the country of qualification, the legalization of the qualification itself will be required. So these are those the basic documents required. So you can check the specific admission requirements by country. So all you need to do is to click on this link and it will show you the specific admission requirements by country. So this scholarship is open to bachelor and master degree program only at the University of Perugia. So here is the information we need to know about international students who want to apply for this scholarship. So we are done with the Italian candidates. Here we need to fix the international students who are living abroad. Here is how to apply for international students who are living outside the EU, or I will say non-EU citizens residing abroad, which you also need to apply for a student's visa. The non-European community foreign citizens residing abroad must apply for a university study enrollment visa at the Italian consular diplomatic mission of the country of residence and have access of specific number of places reserved for visa applicants and residents abroad. So to apply for a visa, you must access the university portal in order to fill the relative pre-enrollment request online. Then additional information, click on the how to apply page, and then so what we need to do here is to access the how to apply page, so you can also work along with me on the application process. So here is how to apply for this scholarship as an international student living abroad. So all you need to do is non-EU students with residency abroad who wish to enroll in study courses must obtain an entry visa for study enrollment at a university which is type D national. We procedure for next year, whatever. The application for access to laureate or laureate magistrate degree courses for international students applying for visa and residual abroad and residing abroad must take place through a prior and mandatory online pre-enrollment request on the University portal. So once you click on this link, it will redirect to the registration page, which is this. Either you click on this link or you click on this link, both will redirect you to this. This is where you begin to fill your information. Please ensure you fill in your information as it is specified on your document. So, but for this tax code, international students don't require it. Once you select your country, this is enough. Skip the tax code and then you'll be able to apply. So what we have here is the name, the surname, the country of birth. So once you select your country of birth, then city of birth, you can type in your city of birth, then date of birth, your gender, citizenship, which citizenship do you own. Leave this blank, but please note that it is not possible to use a certified PEC email address. So these are the example of email address you should not use. Don't use the Hotmail, the MSN, and the Live. And okay, don't use the Hotmail, MSN, Live, and Fastwebnet email. So you can use a Gmail, and then you'll be able to receive any information on the university website. You'll be able to receive information about your scholarship application. So we have the email, confirming email, phone number, your type of document, passport, identity card, or residence permit. Driver license too is also accepted. We have the mode 8CP PA identification card. So any of this is accepted. We have the document number issued by specify who issued it, then valid from which date and expired on which date. So the residence, select your country. We have location, zip code, address, and then you save and continue. Note that any of the asterisk option is important for you to fill. So just like you can see, the tax ID is not being asterisked here, so it is not necessary if you are not an Italian candidate or Italian citizen. Once you are done with the registration here, subsequent email will be sent to you on how to enroll at the Italian consular diplomatic mission of the country of residence. So you go along with the enrollment letter in order for you to get your student or entry visa. So the approval of the enrollment request for study course does not automatically imply the issue of visa, which is exclusive jurisdiction of the diplomatic consular mission, and does not imply automatically the enrollment in the degree course that will be completed only and exclusively if the candidate correctly submit all the enrollment mandatory documents by deadline for the course. So here are the courses that are open for applications. So once you click on the EC, so you can click, here are the courses that are open for application. Click on the ECTS catalog. Then once you click the ECTS course catalog 2024-2025, you will be redirected to this page in which 49 courses are open to application. So we have the agriculture and environmental science and other courses you can find on this page. So here are the list of courses. Here are the list of courses studying English, courses held in English. Click on it, and these are the courses held in English. Modules held in English. So as you can see on your screen, we have the Department of Agriculture, Food and Environmental Science, Chemistry, Biology, Biotechnology, Civil Engineer, Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering, and also the rest. So you can access this on the official scholarship website. The summary of the scholarship is this: international students have a different scholarship procedure, while Italian candidates also have a different scholarship procedure. So for internal candidates, you are just to follow this procedure and then submit your application. For international students, you can apply for visa through the University portal in order to fill the enrollment request form online. After applying for the pre-enrollment request by following this website and filling all the information, then it requires you to continue and upload all your documents. Then after you have been issued a pre-admission or pre-enrollment offer, you have to attach it to other documents and take it to the Italian consular diplomatic mission of your country of residence, and then there they will be able to determine if they are to award you an enrollment visa in order for you to study at university. Note that this scholarship is fully funded, which covers food tuition fee, travel expenses, accommodation, healthcare coverage, and other benefits. So this is how to apply for University of Perugia scholarship for international students. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section, and we will attend to it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more scholarship videos like this.